This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Motorama in Harrisburg, PA. Check out, just walking through some of the custom and classic cars here. Nice little pair of IROCs. I love that his and hers. That is a T-top car, so it's pretty cool. With a full convertible. Nice. Nice little Mopar muscle over here. Cute little Hemi. Yeah, cute little Hemi. I love it. 9.9s. Yeah, yeah. Got some sweet custom trucks over here. Beautiful box. May I check out the jacuzzi? Nice. Nice touch. Taking carpooling to a new level. I like it. I love this little Thames. This is so cool. These make such great drags. Well, it was, you know, people looked for the smallest, absolute smallest vehicles to put the biggest engines into, of course. Cool. I'm sorry, this is a Ford, not Thames. Okay. There's the Thames, down. There's Ford. I was correct to begin with. Nicely done. Here's the hot tub. You know, you're always looking for something new to put in. Chevy over here. Full tilt. Blown. Nice. Gorgeous 65 over here. Oof, these retros are just outrageous. Beautiful. 327, 425 horse. It's got a Muncie M21 4-speed. Nice. Nice. Idea how deep that marine is. Gorgeous.